Hey there, and welcome to Chapter 5 of Cozy Fall Stitches. This is our final chapter, and we're making the Little Maple Mini Quilt. This is a small wall hanging that measures about 9 by 18 inches and comes together quickly, making it perfect for a relaxed afternoon of sewing. The design features 2 maple leaf blocks turned on point, giving it that simple geometric look that feels both modern and seasonal. You'll need 1 fat eighth for each leaf, a small scrap for their stems, and 1 fat quarter for your background. This project is beginner friendly and focuses on basic quilting skills like half square triangles. It's easy, approachable, and a great way to practice your precision without feeling overwhelmed. I'm going to be showing you an interesting way of hanging this mini quilt. I have an idea for a whole wall of mini quilts. That's my plan for 2026, and all of them having, or at least some of them having, this method of hanging, which includes a dowel. So some of your optional items, if you choose to hang it the same way as I'm going to be showing you in the class, you'll need a 1/4 by 12 inch dowel and about 40 inches of either yarn or twine. It's a nice touch that lets your mini quilt double as home decor. So that's what we're going to be making. I hope you are as excited as me. In the next lesson, we're going to download our pattern and then go over it together. Find the rest of the lessons for this class at quiltyclub.com.